Hello guys, um, today I will do a picking video, but I have something to talk about a little bit before. Do you see all these locks? These three are Corbins. This one is a Rosswin, which is very similar, and this one is a Corbin Rosswin. All these locks, no one has the same keyway, but they are all very similar for these three, but these two ones are very different. But Corbin have so many keyway, it's incredible. So I managed to find a blank for the Corbin mastering to make the key that turns just the plug. It's not the right blank, but it will do the job once I will have filed a little bit on it to fit in the keyway. It's not what I want, but will do the trick. And today, when I bought this blank today at the hardware store, the guy was looking the box of bags of blank keys, and the bottom of the box he found this Corbin lock with a blank in it. So beautiful old Corbin, and there was a key in it, a blank key. He gave the lock to me and the key. He didn't charge me anything for that. Very kind from him. This is a 7-pin blank, and this is a 6-pin lock. The same keyway as this blank key here, a 6-pin key, because it's a 6-pin lock. But gave me the 7-pin key. I don't know why. But we don't need no keys. So we moved that out of the way. I never picked it. So it's from the same period of time than this Rosswin. If you remember the video, a lot of cussing on this one. A lot. I hope this one will be a bit easier to pick. Definitely an old one, because there is a ball bearings inside of there. It looks like the two first chambers. So I hope this video I will be able to pick it. So I will try bottom of the keyway, because I really don't want to make dents on the top. Just because of that. But top of the keyway will have been better on this lock. But the fucking tension wrench is too long. Let me cut that off. Son of a bitch. This thing is way too long. Here we go. And I will use, let me see, 25 thousandths standard short hook on it. It should do the trick. A fairly heavy tension to avoid oversetting a pin. One is free, two is free, three is binding. Loud click out of him. Pin 5. I think there is an open in the 6th chamber. So yeah. They are not easy picks usually, but This one gave pretty good feedback. We might be lucky. Oh my god, picked it. It's less than 2 minutes to pick a Corbin, which is usually pretty challenging. So I will need a Phillips. I didn't expect that. So we'll get that out of the way. So we do not have a key, so we can't screw it up. This is a flathead. Just give me a second. I have a brand new kit of screwdrivers, all kinds. Let me find the right one, and we will be good to go. Sorry for that, guys. I'm looking for the bigger one because I don't want to strip that screw. They are usually pretty tight on there. I don't think anybody else took it apart before me. So I will take this one. Keep that magnet bolt, not lose the screws. There we go. Alright, it's almost brand new, but it's from the 80s or the 70s. Oh my god, no. I know. Now I know why it was so easy to pick. If you look closely at the top of that, it'd been filed a little flat on there to make the key work smoother, but it also make the lock easier to pick. So I don't have a pinning mat or a pinning board. Oh, I have this piece of cardboard. Just let me chop it off. There we go. I need to cut a key for it, because I need to get it anyway. So we'll get it for you. It's okay. My ball bearing number 1, pretty normal for these locks. Man, it's a new lock. Little trouble to get number 2 out. I will just use my tweezers to kind of give him a go if he does not want to come out. Okay, no, it was just in the first chamber for the ball bearing, so it will be all standard, no master keying, I'm sure, because it was just 5 pin, by the way. So I will need to get 6th pin inside of there, or get a 5 pin blank, which I don't want to do. So now the uppers will be all standard. I don't feel any security pin there, but they definitely use graphite on there. There are some caked up inside of there. Really powerful springs. And the 5th one. So it was an easy one, because Somebody been filing the top of that lock. I don't know why. You will do that to a good lock. So anyway, please stay legal and subscribe. Bye.